The U.S. Navy selected the E-130J as a replacement for the E-6B TACAMO. The U.S. Navy Strategic Command, Control and Communications Airborne Programs Office, PMA-271, and Strategic Communications Wing 1 have announced the name of the U.S. Navy's new Take Charge and Move Out, TACAMO, mission aircraft, the Lockheed Martin E-130J. It is a special electronic aircraft built from the C-130J Super Hercules series. Cody is used to mean electronic. This aircraft is in the Mission Design Series category. The E-130J was born from the EXX program to replace 16 E-6B Mercury aircraft in the U.S. Navy, a modification of the Boeing 707. The mission links the U.S. President, Secretary of Defense, and U.S. Strategic Command with nuclear ballistic missiles used by U.S. Navy submarines. The 18th variant of the C-130 Hercules will be operated by the SCW-1 Squadron at Tinker AFB, Oklahoma. In the past, the U.S. Navy also used the Hercules variant for the TACAMO mission, namely the EC-130Q, before being replaced by the E-6B, and now by the E-130J. The E-6B Mercury, with 4 jet engines, has been in service in the United States for 35 years since 1989. With a crew of 22 people, the E-6B is a communications relay aircraft and strategic command post. The aircraft is equipped with a nuclear command, control and communications system, NC3.